Look at this crunch. Today, we are making crispy chicken salad cones. It's the perfect appetizer for any party. First, grab some lavash bread or large tortillas. Cut them into triangles, just like this. Now, roll them tightly into a cone shape. To keep them closed, pin the end with a toothpick. Place them on a baking tray. Beat 1 egg and brush it over the cones. This gives them that beautiful golden color. Bake these in the oven until they are crispy and golden brown. While those bake, let's make the filling. Peel and chop your mushrooms. Fry the mushrooms in a pan with some oil. Add chopped onions, salt, and pepper. Cook until everything is golden and smells delicious. Now, in a large bowl, mix shredded boiled chicken, your fried mushroom and onion mixture, plenty of grated cheese, and fresh dill. Add mayonnaise to bring it all together. Mix it well. Now for the assembly. Take your crispy cones and stuff them generously with the salad filling. And please, a very important reminder. Do not forget to pull out the toothpick before you serve them. You don't want anyone eating wood. Crunchy on the outside, creamy on the inside. Enjoy!